Hello everyone. Today is one of those days you wake up and you just want to sleep all day. You just want to go back to bed and sleep all day. As you can see, it's snowing heavily. But funny enough, it's just -8. One would think when it's snowing heavily like this, the whole place will be so cold, but the irony of it is when it's snowing, the temperature actually go up a bit. So today is -18. I'm about going out to get some things from the store. But the funny thing is, when it's snowing like this, you just want to stay inside because it's not safe to drive outside. The road is always slippery when it's snowing. You can see everyone is locked inside. Everywhere is so quiet. The whole street is empty. In fact, I'm the only one outside at this time because they actually prefer staying inside when it's snowing. It's not safe to drive outside when it's snowing. So just come with me while I go out for some shopping. Just basic things, just few things I need. I will show you my street, how everywhere is covered with snow. I will also show you the highway. They've not come to clear the snow. That's why everywhere is still covered. Maybe a few minutes from now, you will see the snow truck coming in here to clear the whole way, just for people to move freely. So just come with me while I show you my street and the highway. There will be just few cars on the highway because it's actually not safe for driving in the snow. Commercial area. It was actually a very long ride for me. It took me 30 minutes to get here, but on a normal day it takes me just 8 minutes drive. But today, being a snowy day, I was so careful driving so slowly, about 30 to 40 kilometers. Just as I said earlier on, the road is always slippery when it snows, so I was extra careful. You can see this parking area on a normal day. When we come in here, especially on Sundays like this, we struggle to get a parking space. But today you can see cars are scantily packed. There are a lot of space for cars to park, unlike other days. So that's because everyone is inside. I would advise, if it's not important, stay inside. It's not safe to be outside on a day like this. It's very dangerous. You could have accident while driving. So why risk your life when it's not important? Stay inside. So the snow truck just came in. That's one over there, taking out the snow for safety. So we have so many shopping malls here. It's a commercial area. So many malls are here, stores are here. So let me just quickly go inside and buy one or two things and head back. I'm finally home and man, today was very hectic. It actually took me 40 minutes to get back to my house. I parked my car somewhere and have to clean the windshield to see properly. Today is one of those days I just wish I'm in Nigeria, to be very honest. It was very hectic for me. So let me quickly drop some safety tips for this weather, for a day like this, wind, snowstorm like this. Stay inside, stay indoors. That is just it. After all said and done, it is advisable remain indoors, except you have something very important to do outside, emergency, or maybe something very important to do. Aside that, please stay inside. It's never safe, not safe outside. Then secondly, dress warm. If you are going outside, dress warm before going outside. I have about 2 layers of inner wear inside my leggings here. Two, this one make it the third one. This one too, I have 3 inside. My hands, then my head warmly covered. Just stay warm, dress appropriately for the weather. Then this is my boots. With this I can slide down, can walk anywhere. Just dress warm. If you must go outside, just dress warmly. Then inside, cover very well, cover up. Then take lots of warm liquid, hot coffee, hot tea, anyone you prefer. Just remain inside, and that is just it. Stay safe, guys. We are here already, so there's no going back. We must face it to the end. So if you love my video, or if you find my video interesting, I will always say subscribe to my channel, like my videos, please like my videos, and drop a comment. I will always read your comment, and I will always reply to your comments. Drop a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.